And welcome to break 31.99 for the 2020 The Rookies Graded Prizm Basketball Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, August 29th, 2020. It's 11:17 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:17 p.m. Central Time, and 8:17 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Staple with 6 spots, Ed 4, Ag 4, Wool 2, Jet 1, C-Kid 4, Robberman 1, E-Rock 1, TT with 7 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. We have Staple on top, TT on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has C-Kid on top and on the bottom. C-Kid, you have the Hawks, TT Celtics, Ed with the Nets, Staple Hornets, Ag with the Bulls, Cavaliers, Ed Mavericks, C-Kid Nuggets, Wool with the Pistons, Ag Warriors, Robberman with the Rockets, TT Pacers, Ed with the Clippers, TT Lakers, Staple with the Grizzlies, TT Heat, Jet Bucks, Ed with the Timberwolves, C-Kid Pelicans, Staple with the Knicks, E-Rock with the Thunder, Ag Magic, Wool 76ers, TT Suns, Staple with the Trailblazers, Kings, TT Spurs, Raptors, Staple Jazz, and last but not least, C-Kid has the Wizards. Here we go. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Seals on both sides. We have the Detroit Pistons. The Booyah Gem Mint 9.5. Prizm Silver. Centering 9.5. Corners 9.5. Edges 9. Surface 9.5. Check that out for the Detroit Pistons. Gem Mint 9.5. Here's the back. Sweet. Let's see who has Detroit. And that's going to Woolsey. Congrats on break 31.99 in the 2020 The Rookies Graded Prizm Basketball Card Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then looks like we're having bonus 96 right after this. Thanks.